Not many organizations have really gone into the profundity of tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchanging community. Welcome to the decentralized money new symbol of Bitcoin. Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV gives less expensive and lightning-quick exchanges, killing the intricacies associated with the decentralized biological system. Before we dive into the Bitcoin SV cost expectation, let us view a portion of the novel highlights of Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin Money is the second biggest fork of the Bitcoin organization, and from that point forward, there was one more fork in November 2018, Bitcoin SV. It was made to re-establish the first Satoshi convention, keep it stable, and scale hugely. As a credulous contestant in 2018, not very many individuals knew about Bitcoin SV and were a little troubled in exchanging BSV. A critical benefit is that you can execute rates as the organization grows, adding to a sensational expansion in the quantity of diggers, upheld by a strong and high data transmission public blockchain stage. Bitcoin SV has tended to the openness issues, setting up a half-breed agreement system. An interesting element is that it can trap deceitful or fake exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block is equipped for following the previous block. A striking trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This noticeable quality makes it novel contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized finance conventions and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads. The increases from the Bitcoin establishment additionally give to BSV the local area benefits. Through this channel of establishment, the stage gets generous commitments and a flourishing number of individuals. The Bitcoin SV engineers additionally have progressed highlights like conceptualizing thoughts on this stage that advance dynamic conversation on BSV. When endorsed, the engineer group tests out the thought and redirects it to raising assets for the local area. The stage likewise includes workgroups made by individuals sharing their encounters and assisting you with understanding the functionalities better. No big surprise, the historical backdrop of Bitcoin SV has been sensibly solid. With Bitcoin hustling up to turn into a public decision in 2019, it gave force to this coin likewise, and its cost contacted a high of $95. The Great Assembly went on with minor revisions. Afterward, Bitcoin SV showed an enormous retreat in the period of September 2020. Another significant explanation was that the area offered other option and enhanced venture choices to Bitcoin and other computerized resources. So while some money resources hit all-time highs of $70, BSV was all the while battling, showing an eagerly awaited opposition at $100.28. BSV highlighted returning, building up momentum at $120.20 in spite of the pandemic in 2020. Afterward, in 2021, Bitcoin SV has denoted an unequaled high of $491.64. Notwithstanding, subsequent to hitting ATH, the BSV cost fell steeply towards $100 mark. Furthermore, at present, it is exchanging beneath the $50 mark throughout the course of recent months. Notwithstanding variances, what's in store appears to be brilliant for the money as much as the help from financial backers. A specialized investigation additionally reveals insight into the future cost estimate. BSV as a token has been making dynamic developments in the cryptographic money market, recorded on most of trades. The symbolic shows a market capitalization of $849,251,566.84 and is at present having a volume course of $46,641,514.92 on the lookout. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of the token has weighted around $44. The specialists have differed sentiments in regards to the BSV cost expectation for what's to come. In light of the BSV cost forecast, a drawn-out remedy is normal. The cost visualization for 1 year is around $3.90. In the start of 2023, the BSV cost may be exchanging around $25.46. Greatest cost $28.87. Least cost $25.09. The normal for 2023 will be around $26.60. Bitcoin SV cost estimate toward the finish of 2023 will be around $26.98. There is a decent opportunity that Bitcoin SV 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $200.99 level. Bitcoin SV is anticipated to arrive at an unequaled high of $196.24 or $200.99 in 2026, and it very well may be the time of Bitcoin SV. During the last year, BSV coin was enrolling moderate energy, in spite of the fact that there was a slight recuperation from February 2022. However, from that point onward, the coin has enrolled a sharp fall, and after May 2022, the cost of Bitcoin SV was exchanged tolerably. At present, the cost of Bitcoin SV is exchanging over the $40 mark, which is a decent sign. However, the cost is as yet exchanging underneath $46. As indicated by the current situation, it is anticipated that BSV will show moderate recuperation before the current year's over, contrasted with other digital currencies. Really look at here are other long-haul digital money expectations. The loved resource would ascend to a future cost of any place between the scope of $40 to $60 according to our Bitcoin SV estimate. Bitcoin SV value estimate 2024. In the realm of cryptographic forms of money like BSV, there could be a gauge of marvels, and there could be sorcery in the present moment as well. According to specialists, Bitcoin SV expectations 2024 may mean a blast time for Bitcoin SV. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul instead of the present moment. It wouldn't be a misrepresentation that the BSV cryptographic money could break every one of the hindrances and endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle cost of $90. As per our BSV cost expectation 2025, the coin could arrive at above $110 with least and most extreme value levels of $105 and $118 individually. BSV expectation 2026. In view of the BSV cost figure, the Bitcoin SV coin could change the pattern from the very outset towards the year's end. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for collusions in this year 2026. New organizations would bring Bitcoin SV to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded cryptographic money cost fixed at $129. Bitcoin SV expectations 2027. According to the BSV cost estimate 2027, the cost of Bitcoin SV is anticipated to cross $150. Before the year's over, Bitcoin SV is supposed to arrive at least expense of $146, and the BSV coin holds potential to cross a most extreme degree of $156. Bitcoin SV value expectation 2028. In light of the Bitcoin SV cost forecast 2028, the BSV cost is anticipated to cross $165 by year's end. In the interim, Bitcoin SV cost is supposed to arrive at any rate level of $158 this year. The most extreme cost might reach $168. BSV coin value expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the cost of Bitcoin SV could reach $180 according to the BSV forecast. During the year, the BSV cost could cross the greatest degree of $195 before the year's over, while the base cost level around $179. Bitcoin SV value expectation 2030. Of every 2030, Bitcoin SV is supposed to exchange around the $200 during the year, as indicated by BSV cost forecast 2030. Toward the finish of 2030, Bitcoin SV's base cost is supposed to be around